Hi, how are you? This is Reno. I want to tell about how to create first applications using the Force.com platform. In this tutorial, we are covering how to create the applications using Force.com platform. First of all, step 1. Log into Salesforce account. After login to this account, after login to Salesforce account, you will see this window. Here this is called a name. In this we have setup. Click on the setup. On the left side we have a menu panel, left side sidebar. In that app setup, I am using the old version, so it has the options like this. App setup. In this, develop, create apps. Click on the apps. Once again, the path is like this: name, setup, app setup. In this app setup, create, apps. When you click on the apps link, you will see apps dialog page. This is the apps page. In this we have several types of applications. Those are standard and also custom also. Those which is checked the custom checkbox, these are created as custom. And we have the options like quick start, new, reorder. Here the quick start is used to create the application instantly. New is used to create the application. Later on we have to add the tab to the application. So we can use any one of quick start or new to create the applications newly. This reorder is used to rearrange this view. Like if you want to change the sales to top, we can use this reorder. Or if you want to down this banking below the sales, we can put using this reorder. So now I am using the quick start usage. Using quick start usage. Quick start button. this, click on the quick start, give the application name. I'm giving new app. Label name also, label name which is shown to the end user, plural label name, new app, apps, which is visible on the tabs pane. Here we can see, and create, click on the create button on the bottom of the quick start window. It takes some time, like, yes, your new app is up and running. So our application is created. Click on the go to my app. No thanks. Here we can see our application is within the list of applications. We have the list of applications here. In this, if you go to sales, we can cleanly observe it. Here our application, newly created new app. Click on this application. Then we are on the new application home page. So defaultly to our application, there are certain types of tabs are allocated. That is, home is mandatory, and if you want to remove this charter, we can remove, and files also, if you want to remove, we can remove. These are all, if you want to remove, we can remove those. So this is the usage of quick start button. So what we did using the quick start, first of all, give the name of the name for app, plural label name, and plural name, label plural name. Okay, that's it. This is the usage of quick start. And whereas we can go to another way of creating apps, same like this: name, setup, app setup, create, click on apps. In this, click on new button. Select the type of application you want to create. We have two types of applications. Defaultly, we can select a custom application, or if you want to go, you can select console application. You have two choices. A console application is like when you click on a link, it goes to open the text which contained in the link in another tab. That is called console application. Cleanly, console application means when you click on a link, it opens the concerned page in a new tab. Okay. Now here I am selecting the custom app. There are five steps in creation of a custom application using the new button. Let me say, using new button. We have five steps here. Sorry, 5 steps involved in creation of new application. Step number 1. Step number 1. Select the type of app. Select the type of application you want to create. We have two types of applications here. First one, custom app. Second one, console app. Console app. I select the custom application here and click on the next button. Here in this, enter the details. Enter the app details like application name, app label, description. New app 2. I'm giving him this is new app. This is new app. Click on the next. So here we have given the label name and the name for the app. And description. Here we can insert the external image. This time I am not inserting any image, so I can just go through the next here. In the step number 3, enter the logo for the app. So in the step number 4, select the which tabs to be displayed on the current application you want to create. We can there are several types of several tabs are available tabs here. It displays. You can select which tab to be displayed on our application. This time I am selecting reports, dashboards. Additionally, defaultly home is created, and coming to default landing tab, here displays the selected tabs, the tabs to be displayed on the application. In this, you can select which tab to be displayed at first when you open that application. I'm selecting the home. Okay, I'm selecting the reports or dashboards. I'm selecting dashboards to be displayed when I am opening this new app 2 application, and go to the next. Select which tabs to be displayed. And default landing tab. Step number 5. Assign to profiles. Assign to profiles means which profiles uh, viewing this application we are mentioning here. Which type of profiles? Companies have different number of profiles like softwares, salesman, CEO, manager, directors, like this. Which profiles the application is going to visible, that we are giving the permissions here as a administrator. So here giving the visibility, which is the default profile and which profiles this application is going to visible, this I am mentioning here. If we remove this, nobody can access this or nobody can view this application anymore. So I am giving the permissions to a standard user and system administrator for this time. Only these people can view this application, and I'm giving here a default profile as standard administrator and saving this. Now our application is created successfully. So we have to include tabs here. This is our new application too. Defaultly it opens the dashboard's home page. As I already told, I mentioned dashboards as my default landing tab for this new app 2 application. So that's why it opens dashboards home page when I open this new apps 2 application. So I think it is more clear to you how to create applications using the Force.com platform. Okay, there are two ways of creating applications. One is using the quick start and another one is using the new button. The default, using the new button, we have to uh, enter in 5 types of steps, but with the quick start it is more easy to create applications using the Force.com platform. Thank you.